Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Viia high love gummies. So you should try their gummies or not. Does it brand really legit or does it really work, and the results are temporary or permanent? So in this video we will cover lots of information. Okay, so first of all we will talk about this brand is 3 years from now, and the brand is very popular on internet. Okay, so I can't show you the real product because the product is available on their website, but these kind of product may be against YouTube policies, so that's why I'm not able to show you the exact product information. But after making a research, I can definitely say if you have any kind of sexual desire or if you have any kind of libido related problem, so you can try these kind of product. But I would suggest you these kind of product are temporary, because if you want any permanent treatment for your sexual desire related problems, or erectile dysfunction related problems, then you need to consult your doctor. And if you are going to use these kind of gummies, then you will get results, but the results is temporary, or maybe you will not get results because everyone health condition is different, everyone stress level is different, so we cannot say 100% you will get same results. And if we talk about the results, definitely you will see results in a starting phase, but after some time, after using the product, after some period of time, you will not see changes in your body, because your body is habitual by taking same kind of supplement again and again, and you will not see any changes in your body, and maybe you are addicted to using these kind of supplements. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to try, then you can try it only. Okay, and the brand is legit, there is no problem, but I would like to suggest you, please consult your doctor at least once related to your problems. They will guide you and they will provide you proper and permanent treatment. Okay, so this is the information, and if you have any experience with these kind of gummies or with this gummy, so please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review, so without using product we cannot say 100% it will give you benefits or not, because everyone health condition is different. So that's why I'm telling you, if you have without using product we can't say anything. Okay, but if you have any experience, please share your thoughts. Okay, so this is the information. Now I would like to suggest you only one thing: if you are going to use their product, please don't try to take any kind of subscription, otherwise they will charge you again and again, and maybe you can say you have to pay some kind of fees in the terms of subscription. Okay, so that's it, and thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Okay, bye bye.